Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility so you don't buy the wrong drive. Locate your laptop model and open the service manual to confirm the interface. SATA versus M, 2 NVMe, and the physical length like 2242 or 2280. Make sure the slot accepts single or dual-sided modules. Once done, check BIOS or UEFI notes to ensure NVMe boot support. Also confirm any OS activation or license transfer issues. This saves returns and avoids physical fit or firmware problems. Now focus on performance and longevity so the drive matches your workload. Pick between two, 5-inch SATA or M, 2 NVMe. NVMe gives higher throughput and lower latency for heavy multitasking. Compare sequential read/write speeds and random IOPS, and check TBW endurance to estimate lifespan. Make sure the controller and DRAM presence meet your performance expectations. DRAM-less can be cheaper but slower under sustained load. Finally, weigh power consumption for battery life and confirm warranty terms before ordering. Finish by installing and validating the SSD so everything runs smoothly. First, make a full backup and create a recovery USB, then clone or clean install the OS as you prefer. Power down, ground yourself, and install the drive. Use correct screw length and thermal pads where needed, and ensure the connector is fully seated. Once booted, run benchmarks and smart checks and update firmware. If the drive isn't detected, recheck BIOS settings, reseat the module, and try a different slot or adapter as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.